What is the best plumbers or plumbing contractors insurance in Orange County, New York? How do you get coverage for your plumbing business in Orange County? What does plumbing contractors insurance cost? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions and give you some advice on how to approach business insurance for plumbers and plumbing contractors in Orange County coming right up. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle, and thanks for clicking on my video. Do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button now so other plumbers and contractors can find this video on YouTube. Thanks a lot. So you're probably thinking about your business insurance for your plumbing company and are curious about the cost or your coverages or some other issue or common insurance problem, and you're looking online for advice and guidance. I hope to cover some of those common issues we find with plumbers contractors insurance here, but if you have a question that I haven't answered, please contact me for a conversation. I promise, no hardcore selling or pushing to quote your account. I just love solving problems for business owners, so I'd welcome your call or your email. Now moving on, what is the best plumbing contractor insurance? In my opinion, the best insurance protection is one that is thoughtfully planned out and carried out by an expert. That typically means working with an insurance broker that is experienced in business insurance and who works with contractors on a regular basis. In my opinion, I don't think that websites promising to get you a quote in 10 minutes by answering a few questions makes a lot of sense. You may be asking, well, why? The answer is because, like it or not, business insurance is complex. And in that 10-minute process, who is the expert? Well, you are. You're being asked to be the insurance expert to understand your risks and the thousands of insurance coverages and forms and options available in the marketplace. Look, I get it. Convenience is great. But at what cost? Do you want to potentially sacrifice the business that you've built and worked so hard for to be lost in a lawsuit because you didn't understand what excluding action over liability meant, or why you may need an umbrella policy, or any number of different options? The other point here is that just because an insurance website says that they are the cheapest for plumbers and the most convenient doesn't necessarily make it true. So the big question on your mind is probably, what does plumbers insurance cost? If you do some searches online regarding costs, you may see things like basic, standard, custom cost charts that provide a monthly insurance cost for plumbing contractors like $89 a month. You may also see online insurance brokers providing the median premiums for insurance, like the median premium for plumbers is less than $125 a month. To me, these are unrealistic numbers, and they really don't indicate what you are going to pay for business insurance. So, how much does insurance cost for a plumbing contractor? The answer is going to be based on several rating factors, such as the type of work you do and where you do it, how large your company is, the number of trucks you have, the limits of coverage you purchase, and most of all, your claims history. So, how do you make sure you're getting the best deal? That's also a good question. In my opinion, you want to work with an expert, a knowledgeable insurance broker who represents many of the top insurance companies writing plumbers who can do the shopping for you. But in addition to that, you should work with a broker who can help you reduce your claims and manage them so that your claims record in the future is as good as it can be. That way you'll be more attractive in the future to more underwriters who can offer you preferred pricing. Here's the bottom line when it comes to insurance for plumbers. Now more than ever, you have a wide variety of choices when it comes to purchasing insurance. You can do it yourself online through a variety of websites, which I mentioned earlier is not my recommendation, or you can work with an expert firm who has the team to answer questions, issue certificates quickly, and give you advice when you need it. In most cases, that expert broker is not going to cost you more than doing it yourself. So why add the hassle and burden of thinking through all those choices when you've got enough on your plate already? If you choose to work with a broker like me, you're going to want to find someone who represents that wide variety of insurance companies that can offer you choice, and they also have the resources, like I mentioned earlier, to provide advice on managing risk, safety, and compliance. By the way, we have all those things. Thanks for watching. If you have other questions, issues, or thoughts you'd like to talk about with me, please reach out. My contact info is coming up, and in the description box below, there's a link to my calendar where you can book a call that's convenient for you. Thanks.